Okay, as an addition or an additional amendment to the first video that I sent, I'm just going to talk through these text elements and why they aren't appearing right. I actually, I don't think I briefed in how to do these, and that's why they're looking like the way they do. So let's brief in how to do these now. So as we can see, the way that this one should look is like this in the new format, and the way that it's looking at the moment is like that. And that is due to, if I come into, so if I edited this page, it would end up looking like this. Firstly, this bar here that you can see, that if I go to, so this page, edit that page is here. That bar is in the middle of these two elements. So I'll start off by just dragging that up to there, and now we've got them above and below. And then I'll come over to this page, and I'll come into the Cardwell element, and then if I click on text, I get the copy from in there. And that's what I need to put into Airlie Beach. Oh, sorry, this one. Need to put that into here. So you can see that this has actually got a H1 style attributed to it. We don't want that anymore. All we want is just the paragraph style. So save that. And then the same for this text down here. There's actually a little bit more text going on, or a little bit more code going on in this one in an inline style. It's got a few div classes and CSS attributed to it. So I'll just copy that and then bring that into here. Text. And place that in. Okay, so I'll update that page. And I'll just use purge SiteGround cache. That may be enough to get it to work. Pressing that will refresh the page as well. Essentially, SiteGround cache is the caching machine that's on my web host. So it caches, it's the fastest way to cache the files. They've got their own caching engine, and that's the plugin for it. Auto Optimize is a CSS JavaScript minifier, so it minifies all the code to speed it up. And obviously that's just my browser cache. So they're the three different caches. Now if I come down, so there we go. So that's been updated now, and that's all looking right. And doing that for it'd be the same reason why this one's looking the way it is as well. So that's how we get those to look the way they do.